Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn English with an iGirl. Today we are going to learn one of the most important topics in English: how to talk about yourself. Whether you are in an interview, at work, in a cafe, or just making new friends, talking about yourself clearly and confidently is a skill you must have. And don't worry, this lesson is for absolute beginners. So relax, listen carefully, and repeat after me when you can. Let's start with the basics. When someone says, "Tell me about yourself," here are simple sentences that you can use. My name is Sarah. I'm 30 years old. I'm from Melbourne, Australia. I live in Dubai now. I speak English and a little French. Notice how short and simple these sentences are. Don't try to be perfect, just be clear. Next, let's talk about what you do. This is common in everyday conversation. I work as a teacher. I am a student at university. I work in IT. I have my own business. I am looking for a job. Try to say your profession clearly. You don't need long explanations. A simple sentence is powerful. Now, let's learn how to talk about your family or where you live. I live with my parents. I live alone in an apartment. I am married and I have 2 children. My husband works in finance. We live in Toronto. People love to connect through family stories, so use simple words and be honest. Talking about your interests is a great way to build conversation. I love cooking. I enjoy reading books. In my free time, I go for walks. I'm a friendly person. I am shy, but I like meeting new people. You don't have to sound impressive. Just be real and confident in what you say. And finally, let's talk about your goals. I want to improve my English. I dream of working abroad. One day, I want to start a company. I am learning English to get a better job. I believe in working hard. These sentences show your motivation. They are great for interviews, classes, and new friendships. I know it's scary to speak English when you're just starting, but your voice matters. You don't need big words, you need real words. Practice these sentences again and again. Say them in the mirror, record yourself, or even comment below with your intro. You're not just learning English, you are learning how to share your story with the world in front of this world. Thank you for learning with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more. This is Learn English with an iGirl. I will see you in the next lesson. Take care.